In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block Outlook Calendar for out of office. By the end, you'll have a clear, simple way to mark yourself unavailable so colleagues can see you're away, and new meeting requests don't land in your lap during that time. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Outlook. From the results, click the official Outlook website to open it. Once Outlook loads, switch to your calendar. You'll usually find the calendar icon in the left-hand sidebar. This is where we'll create the block of time that marks you as out. At the top of your calendar, click New Event. An event window opens where you can set the details of your time away. First, choose the date you'll be out. Use the date picker to navigate to the correct day. If your time away starts later, that's fine. Just set it to the day you want the block to begin. Next, adjust the start and end times to match exactly when you'll be out. If you're stepping away for a specific window, set those hours here. If you'll be out all day, toggle the all-day option. This is a quick way to cover the full day without manually setting times. If your absence spans more than one day, use the date arrow or end date field to extend the event across the days you'll be away. Now this part is key. At the top of the event, find the status dropdown. It may default to busy. Click it and change the status to out of office. This tells Outlook to mark you as unavailable and, in many setups, automatically decline any new meeting invitations that overlap with this block. It also helps coworkers see clearly that you're not around. Give your event a clear title, something like out of office or away, so it's obvious at a glance on your calendar. You don't need to add attendees or locations for this. The goal is simply to make your availability accurate. If you'd like, you can add a short note in the description to remind yourself why you're away, but it's optional. When everything looks right, date, times or all-day setting, multi-day range if needed, and the status set to out of office, click Save. You should now see the event placed on your calendar, typically highlighted so it stands out. If plans change, you can open the event later to adjust the dates or delete it entirely. That's it. Your Outlook calendar is now blocked for your out-of-office time, keeping your schedule clean and your team informed.